I'm now going to put this bias resistor, which I worked out at 18k yesterday. And since my wife was kidnapped, possibly because she didn't have 10 euros to show, because she didn't have any money. See, in communist countries, people didn't need money and didn't have to show because the stars are protected. But most of Europe, you need money. I think in France you need to show 100 euro, and if you don't get it, you're put in prison. So where she went, but maybe there isn't. I don't know. So I can't tell, but it may have been a gangster trying to get her money. I don't know. She didn't have any money. Obviously, a person with no money is vulnerable, and can easily be forced into other service. You get too old and unattractive for prostitution, you know. But, it's always like that. She's nutty in the head, shall we say, what she's doing. That's what insane means. You do things that anti-survival, and getting into huge debts as well. But I was debt because of theft, and I was still in debt basically. It's getting okay, but it's going down. I've got the money actually, and the money coming in, but I don't have it. Not because I was getting there, because I was afraid I might start another war. I wouldn't do that. Why should I? I've got no teeth in there. I've got teeth in there. I haven't got anything to stick a ring with. You know, it's dentifrice, so I can't afford the what's it price? It's £7 I think to buy dentifrice. I can't afford it, possibly. So I can't have it. So not still means you can't have things. You can't have things you don't have the money for. It means. And if you can't borrow money, which is, because if you borrow money, you get more into debt. Not a good idea. And the Bible says we shouldn't borrow money. Most Christians do borrow money, actually. And Muslims aren't allowed to, but they do. Most Muslims don't really get their credit card. I think you'd have credit for a month once you buy it off. Basically, it's true. I think they want me to go there and pick it up. Yeah, I did try, but the manager has blocked my money, so I couldn't. If they hadn't done that, I could have easily come back there. But they don't accept that I have this person. They say she's a fantasy woman. Well, a woman in another country, you only hear over the telephone, does get like that, because you can't see her. When I was younger, I did see her. But, that's one end on. It's an 80k resistor between the base, which and the collector, which is standard. Base and collector is actually, it can cause it to oscillate. I remember one of my lessons, I can't remember. See what Faraday oscillates around high frequency, which is a parasitic oscillation, but it doesn't contribute to the power. I can't see what I'm doing, you know. That's right enough. Can't see. Actually, pull that to get in the right position. And that goes down like this. This goes where these little bendy wires didn't break off. We bend them too much, right? And bend it round. It's supposed to have a hook on it, you know, so it stays in position. Because lap joints are very weak. It was my job after soldering, it was my job, but I wasn't building the circuits with the prototypes. And I designed the prototype as well. Designed the circuit as well as build it. which tells you where you go wrong. See, Dr. recent things don't understand that. They say my work was like a jaw. That wasn't just my work, it was the printed circuit people. Some people did all themselves. So that's what you do printed circuit. Printed circuit is complicated because you've got to do a breadboard first where you do the printed circuit. And the design I had, which I got from somebody, again with permission mostly, and I didn't use it, I modified it, and it was a bad design. According to the calculations wrong. And it's oscillated to scratching, so it wasn't an oscillator. This is an amplifier. It's not the same. Doesn't do scratching. But, I can't see what I'm doing. It's very wise there. It's very, very bad design. This is a prototype, you see, which is not the same as a polished design you get in the end. When you get something, you buy something, it's a polished design. But they're all starting off like this. Because these days they're construction methods. I wonder if you could print this sort of stuff, three-dimensional circuits. Guys in physics. If I can't see it, you've got to wires here. I'm going to turn it in a direction where you can see the wires there. That's the positive one. So now sorry about that. Look at your position first, please. You can just tap it on, but not a good idea, because it falls off. And you wet the solder off, those switches being left on, so it's oxidised. There's a resin on here which takes the oxide out. Now these things, they use just put solder in, doesn't actually. Solder is a good conductor, so you have to melt the solder that's already there. Otherwise it doesn't dry. You get an oxide film between two layers of solder. Which, that's it. That's all. Now I can see it. Now I really need to see if that works. So we'll now switch over to the other circuit, the camera, and do the test, and then hopefully see the oscilloscope. Okay, now I'm going to. That was of course on the slot camera now on the Logitech, and I've got Windows Update on now with distance. This is the device I really put last, so we do that up. But see this thing, this obesity, which the doctor actually put there because they wanted it. They thought I'd be good to have about a tummy. They said it was too much, but they died doing that. They remarked, and I was going to ask that by somebody nothing in the chest. It was a woman who basically Christian woman, what it was. And so they're trying to kill us all. I don't know, they have some idea that if people get life-threatening disease, they can go. Well, I didn't. Anyway, this is now on. And the probe is here. And I'm going to connect it there. That's the input. Credits, that's input. Do it slow. And just let a bomb, isn't it? Where else have I tested? Yeah. There's a slot there. Now I put the barrel, And usually when you put the around this, just nothing happens. That's what usually happens. Nothing. There it is. Nothing. Nothing. That's what the transistor blown up. Transistor blown up. Tell you by how hot it gets. That resistor was actually shorted out. Let's see where it is. Can't see what I'm doing. Oops. That resistor of 18K goes from the mains, and it goes to the electrics. It's too low. I did do a calculation, but the gain of that transistor is over 700, and I haven't got it right, but obviously I didn't. That's too low, and the transistor got hot. Probably there wasn't nothing about that. So I can't buy a transistor, I'll go away, because now 36 pence, can't do that. But that's the result. This resistor, it's too low. I just say 18K, but there's no guarantee from the battery that it is 18K. So the first thing to do is to measure the resistors with it, and that's what they put in, because they could have given me the wrong resistors. It's quite likely. Batteries like that, how to do that. I used to, I think very well, I was once in a job where I did testing. You have to cut the wire, and then measure it. Cut the wire there. You can hear that again, but just temporarily, but as you cut it, to measure resistance, of course, you know, and that's what I was taught. I was taught this as a test engineer. And for some reason, I don't know what happened. I think perhaps the doctor would follow my street and see what happened, see if I stood there. But he can't. After the body, you can't do anything. Can't do it. It's an outfit, unfortunately, but that's what that's what psychiatry do. Every time they do things with psychiatry, you lose your job. That's what usually happens. And sometimes they can recover from it. It is 18K, it is correct. 18K. So it is 18K, now you get it right. The resistance is 2. Interesting. Well, driving. So maybe it should be mega. Error in place. Well, next time I'll buy a box of resistors. But that's the end of Express for today.